How would you structure Google Ads for a gym with 10 locations, campaign versus location versus service? I'm planning a Google Ads setup for a gym brand with 10 physical locations in the same country, and I'm curious how others would approach the structure. The main question I'm stuck on the campaign structure is the campaign structure. Do you create one campaign per location with ad groups split by services? Gym membership, personal training classes, they would need a lot of landing pages for this or no? Do you create campaign by service and then target only the cities, areas where that service is offered, or a hybrid approach? Uh, okay. Conversations would be phone calls, form submissions, free trials. My concern is pre-location campaigns, cleaner reporting and budgets, but potentially huge number of landing page services. Service-based campaigns is equal to more data per campaign, but harder to control local messaging and calls. For those who have run multi-location gym or local service accounts, what structure is better? Okay, so we have been running accounts for some of the clients, and we have so far discovered few observations which I can share with you regarding your concern. So my opinion is, first of all, um, I recommend one campaign per location is the best thing you can do. Okay, so for your question number one, my recommendation is the best thing you can do. Okay, this is the best thing. So my recommendation is to go with this. Okay, do you create campaigns for service and then target only the cities areas where that service is offered? Okay, so no, I create ad groups for the services. So instead of campaigns, once I do campaign per location, I do create ad groups for each service. Okay, this is a better approach. And or a hybrid approach. No, I have told you my opinion. Okay, so your question. Okay, you also raised a question where you said that you would need a lot of landing pages. So you do not need a lot of landing pages start. So for A/B testing, um, two landing pages seems good to start, and later, once it runs well and spends well, and you want another data, you can create another landing page. Otherwise, you should be fine with two landing pages for a gym. Offering a free trial is a good thing. So yeah, this is my opinion regarding someone with a Google Ads who wants to run with 10 locations. My opinion is to create 10 campaigns for each, one campaign per location, and then divide ad groups for each service, and this can be a very good structure for this. So I hope this answers your question and query. And if anyone needs a professional help with the Google Ads management, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once you click on one of the link, you will be landed to a page like this where we are right now offering free Google Ads. Like you are offering free trial for your gym service, we are offering free Google Ads trial, or by offering a free audit for anyone who wants to get their accounts audited right now. Our professional Google Ads management plans are right now over here, so you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is arswebs.com, and we are a Google partner company. So I hope this answers your question, and I look forward working with you. Take care. Bye bye.